How stuck?
I don't know. Tired. Which could mean a lot of things, right?
Yeah. His body's probably fighting whatever's in it.
Yeah, right before he dies.
Yeah.
But I'll be nice and not say that.
Would you have left
He needs to
Lily
get
back
over the
there
whole Lily thing.
on the side of the road like that?
It's
Yes.
over. It's done.
Yeah?
We have to have lives. Yes, I would
Shit.
have left her.
Katya's like,
Okay.
bitch,
then.
be gone.
Has Clementine said anything to you about Carly or Duck or anything? I'm worried about her.
Yeah, she
No.
doesn't look too happy.
No.
That little girl is a puzzle.
Yeah, she is.
Poor
She's a
Carly. God, where did yesterday go?
I don't know.
Yesterday.
Are you okay? I know you were fond of her.
Yesterday. Oh my
I
God.
was, but now she's
This isn't
gone.
any time for, romance, but yeah. I was fond of her, yeah.
I was
Anyway.
fond of her.
Let me know if anything changes here.
I was
Is
hitting
Ken
that on the
alright?
DL.
What is he doing?
He's put his mind to figuring out the train.
What about you?
Same thing, sort of. Found some instructions, but I can't read them.
Oh. Well, I'm sure someone can help you.
Somebody.
Yeah.
Here, found some water.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
It's all I can
It's
keep
allergic to
thinking about.
bees.
Like, somehow that
I don't think there's any bees around here.
I know.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Well, I don't. But you're probably right.
Well, if we could find some bees, we could let him sting him, and then he'll die. So that'd be.
Yeah.
But he's already gonna die, so it's mute.
Yeah.
We'll give her the correct.
There's a notepad on the train. Do you have any pencils or anything in your pack?
No, I wish. Maybe in the RV. What do you need it for?
There used to be something written on the notepad that I need to know about.
Well, if you're not using it, I'd take it. I'm out of paper, and there's all sorts of new leaves around here.
Okay, but wait until I get through.
Yeah.
Hey,
What are
Sweet
you gonna
Pea,
do with
you
leaves?
okay out here?
Hey, Sweet Pea.
I don't think Duck feels good.
I don't think so either.
No, he doesn't look good.
Mm-mm.
I think he's knocking on heaven's door.
We found a notebook that we think might have had some starter directions in it, but the page is missing.
Well, I'm sure you guys will figure it out.
Okay, we'll try to figure it out. Thank you for your help, Ben. Some little girl wants some camera time. Okay. Where the hell's the pencils in this place? Damn it. Nowhere. Hmm. Damn it. Will that help? That banana juice?
That's a dirty ass RV.
Well, beggars can't be choosers.
No.
There's a pencil though.
Yep.
Whiskey Lou. Whiskey Sue. That's a girl's name. She's like, what's you guys' problem? We're trying to start this train, Whiskey Sue. This is important.
You still haven't looked back there, huh? See what's in that box?
Ah, guess we'll go back here again.
I can
Is
get
that
it
the
over
shit
there.
one?
Yeah, that's a shit one. Ah, finally he's offered a way up on the other side. Is there anything over there? It's over here. Anything? Can we use that on that?
It's
Nope.
stuck. I can definitely pry this thing free. If I can break it loose first.
Okay.
Break it loose.
Can we break it loose from that?
Shit. Broken.
Nope, that doesn't work.
It's already broken.
Well, we got a pencil. Maybe go back in the thing. See if that coupler pin's in there too when we come back. Coupler? Coupler?
Cover pen.
Whatever.
But I don't think that's the tool. I think that's the actual pen.
We got a problem.
It holds them
What?
together.
We still got the rest of the train attached to us back there.
Shit.
I tried to yank the
Yeah,
pin out, but it
shit.
won't budge.
Well, we ain't going anywhere until it does.
Well, thank you for the help.
Yeah, thanks for helping.
Shit, this is
Kenny.
it. Instructions on starting the engine.
Yeah, shit, that's what we said
Pages
last
ago.
time.
Yeah, that's why we needed a
Can you
pencil.
see the
Yep.
indentations from the writing.
Yeah. Dumbass.
Mm-hmm.
Where's your pen?
Perfect.
Okay, there we go.
You can read it now?
Yeah, should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Let's start up the engine.
We gotta do it.
Okay. That's number 9.
Oh, that's good to remember.
Yep. We don't need it now though, because we start out with 6.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Put those back together. So one next to it has a monkey wrench. Hopefully that's where we're going. Now that one. Yeah, get that one.
Rusted shut, but nice and heavy.
Good. Let's take it.
Oh, yeah, nice and heavy. That's what we want.
Which way we going? Never know.
He's going back. You got a monkey wrench and he's to take it apart and going back to the engine.
Ah. There's the guy's family.
Well, I'm sure they're all dead too.
Nice group.
Hey, Ken.
What's up?
Hey, Ken. I'm working on it. But do you want to talk about Duck?
Leaving Lily back there. Abandoning someone on
Our
the
Lily?
side of the road. It's a
You want to talk
serious
about Lily
murder.
or Duck?
Don't worry about it. We just would have had to deal with her eventually.
You want to talk about Duck? I'm really sorry, Kenny. Nobody deserves this.
There's nothing to talk about. You heard Cat. He could be fine.
We probably shouldn't ignore it.
Nobody's
I
ignoring
don't know if
nothing.
you've noticed, I
I'm
got
not
stuck
worried.
here.
You shouldn't be either.
With the directions I was able to piece together, I think I might be able to get this thing started. I don't
Well,
know.
why
It's a
don't you
long
then?
shot. I don't even know what the fuel situation is with this thing.
We'll find out. You mess around in the engine
Yep.
compartment yet?
I'm working
I'll
on it.
get back to it.
Me too.
Yeah, Kenny, you've been a lot of help just
Yeah,
sitting
just sitting there whacking off.
there. Yep. Okay. Start with 6. That's where it said to start.
Yeah.
Evidently the engineer had Alzheimer's, so... Okay, well, we'll just go out here.
It's in pretty good shape for a wreck.
That's a cow catcher.
I think Lee has ADHD.
Yep, that's a zombie. Or a walker. Whatever you want to call him. You'll go up on this side. I think it's a better view.
Just walk all the way around. Yeah.
Okay.
That's one hell of a mess.
Yeah, it sure is.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, duty. Lordy.
There we go. Come on, jump up there. Jump up there, Lee. Come on,
Jump.
hop up there. Yeah, there we go, Lee. Jump back down that side. Okay, there we go.
Get on it.
The birds are even saying, get this damn thing moving.
Alright, we got our monkey wrench.
See if this works.
It's stuck. We need a bunch of force to break away all this rust and whatnot before I can
Maybe if
pry
we
it
got
free.
everybody together and tried.
To everybody be banging it and that's crazy.
Nothing works.
Yeah.
Can we use a tin can on it? Whiskey's like, are you stupid? Okay. I just don't know what to do. Maybe we should just go start the train. We can hope.
Yeah.
What can he say about hope?
Maybe if the train is started and it starts shaking and to shake off some of the rusts.
There we
Who
go.
knows? I don't know.
Pull it loose, I don't know. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go now.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again.
Okay. Okay, that's number one.
See, he's in there taking a nap.
That's number 6. Nope. Okay, there we go. Now, how do we do it? What's on the paper? Make this one up. That one up. That one up. Okay. Okay. And that one up. Okay.
Son
now,
of a bitch! Whatever you did lit the dash up.
So far,
Yeah,
so
the
good.
other one's up.
okay. Next.
There's a 5, right?
Yep. So, what do we need on this? Okay, we
You
gotta
got
turn
this.
the
You got
dials.
this.
Now we're talking.
Yep, got a green light. Next. Okay, gotta go out here. Yep, no. Past it.
Went too far.
Nope.
Nope. Put that thing back.
We'll get that one
Yeah,
again.
that one. Okay.
He shook his head yes on maybe.
Is it-
Maybe
yeah,
that
that's
18
what I
times a
needed.
charm.
That's what I need.
Okay.
Alright.
See if we can push a
Number
button.
9.
That way, this way. Engine ready.
Low oil. Low camera.
That way.
Oh,
Hey!
shit.
Making some noise.
Yeah,
Shit,
yeah.
We're golden.
Everybody get on.
We are. What about Duck, though? Yeah, we are.
Thing is loud.
So what?
Oh.
We're barreling down the tracks at 40 miles an hour. I don't care about the noise. Let's
40
fucking
miles an
enjoy
hour.
this.
Wow.
Hmm.
Mom, let's see if she'll move.
Well, let's get it loaded.
It's all yours.
I gotta do everything because Kenny's such a.
You're sitting right there, Kenny. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Yeah, it's all yours. You go
Get
do
out
this
of my
and
way!
this. He's also just trying to figure out things, but
Damn it. Of
we're
course.
still
Yeah.
We're still attached. Can you go find out where we're stuck and get us
Yeah.
unstuck?
Yeah.
I've been trying.
of course,
that.
because I've been doing everything else.